Hi, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the pre-IELTS speaking of candidate name Harkirat Singh and candidate number 111057. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Harkirat, can you tell me something about your hometown?
Yes. Since my childhood, I have been living Mandi Govindgarh. It's my hometown, and there are multivarious facilities that are often provided to the locals, in which include medicine facility and hospitality, where a lot of shopping malls and hospitals and hotels.
Okay. What kind of people lives in your hometown?
Well, every kind of people are living since a very long time in my hometown. Some are very attractive in nature and some people are very optimistic kind of person. They always try to motivate other ones.
Do you like the people of your hometown?
Yes. So I like the people who live in my city, especially who lives next to my door. They are very polite and they are very motivated persons. Some related to military, some are.
What kind of facilities you enjoy most in your hometown?
I'm the very kind of person who like to keep myself stay and happy. So I like to go park on the daily basis with my friends. I like to play different kind of sports game over there, like badminton and volleyball.
Any kind of change which you would like to have in your hometown?
Yes, sure. A kind of change that I definitely like to do, which is there some factories are available which creates huge amount of pollution and affects directly to the human body. So I like to shift them to the countryside.
Okay. Do you like science?
Yes. I like science. I also used to study when I was in primary school. I learned a lot of basic things, and then after when I shifted to secondary, I learned some deeper about the subject.
Do you think it is important to study science?
Yes. Because of science, we can easily know how our life works, how machine works. So, in order to know in a very deeper way, we definitely know about
What
science.
kind of science did you learn at school?
Well, all aspects of science that I used to learn, but my favorite that I remained focused, which was physics, because I was very curious about know how machine works and what kind of parts are put in it.
Okay. Okay. I'll put you some more questions related to weather. How's the weather like today?
Nowadays it's winter, so it's a very cloudy weather nowadays, and there is very less humidity we can see nowadays.
Do you like the weather of your country?
Yes, it's quite pleasant. All kinds of weather are easily present in my country. That's why people can easily stay here, and especially this summer season. It's very convenient to stay. People also can sunbath and.
Do the weather is same all part of your country?
No, it's quite different. There is a huge difference between the weather in the northern side of India and the southern side of India, and especially in the north side we can see all kind of weathers as compared to southern side.
Okay. Is weather ever affect the way how you feel?
Yes, sometimes it reflects my mood, such as in the winter season when I see in the cloud, I feel quite demotivated because I don't like the dull environment. So yes, weather affects my mood.
Is weather ever affect transportation?
Yes, due to some unforeseen circumstances, sometimes transport system is very affected, especially by the weather. Like in the mid-season of a year, there is a huge amount of rain, which affects the roads like sometimes full of water, traffic congestion is on their peak, and sometimes railway system is also affected.
Okay. So this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic and 1 minute to think, 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepad. So your topic is okay, start.
I like to do different kind of works as a member of a team, and I have also done in my life lot of works, especially in the school days. Here I'm going to talk about a particular story that happened to me. This was about 3 years ago when I was in 9th standard. At that time, my physics physics teacher gave it to me a project she divided three members in a group, and two of my friends also was with me. Then we decided to make a project that was called rainwater harvesting. In this project, I had to do the theoretical part when the project submitted till the due date, and then we did a lot of things such as we collected all the major parts that needed for this project, and we also collected money to keep this project very good. And during these days I enjoyed a lot. By this way I got the value of work in a team. I got this skill. This would definitely work for me in the future. Before this task, I was very introvert kind of person. But then, after doing the work in a group, I'm able to become a very talkative. Now I don't feel hesitate to speak in front of others. And although we had some conflicts.
Sufficient. Can I get my book back, please?
Okay.
So this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some more questions related to team activities.
Okay.
Are team activities popular in the community around you?
Yes, there are different kind of team activities are quite eminent in my nearby house. Such as some people like to play sports like cricket, badminton as a team, and some people also like to do volunteer work as a team.
What kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
Well, by doing any work as a member of a team, we can learn plethora of skills, such as the people who feel very hesitant to speak in front of others, they can easily learn how to speak freely, and easily learn about how to put forth views in front of others.
Do you think team leaders are important in a team?
Yes, it's quite essential to have a very good lead in a team, because it can lead the team in a very good manner, and the person who can easily solve the matters in a team.
Why do companies practice team activities?
Well, there are numerous factors that companies allow themselves to have to have a team activity. Because of this, they can easily do a work in a very short time period. By this way, they can easily boost their productivity.
Do you think employees are motivated better by team activities than doing it by itself?
Yes, because in a team there is a lot of competition, so they can easily feel motivated, and they will definitely boost themselves to get a first position as compared to another one.
Why do you think sports teams perform so well?
Well, pardon?
Why do you think sports teams perform so well?
There could be a lot of reasons that sports teams are performing very well nowadays. First of all, they do their work as a team, and they have very less kind of conflicts between others. So, and they have a very similar interest in a sport. They have a very particular goal that they can focus on them.
Okay, so this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.
Thank you so much.